Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sky from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing her eyes. Draw a line across to the left and flick it up at the end. Then from the right side, draw a line down and then curve it back up to the left side, making it a cat eye shape. Now draw two curves inside her eye like this. Then color in the outside section black. Do the same thing for the other eye, but make this eye a bit smaller. Let's draw her bangs now. Draw a curve above the left eye. Then a curve starting above the right eye down to the side of the left eye. Now a small curve here on the right. Then a long curve on the left past the eye. Next, draw two curves up here for her eyebrows. Now on the left side, draw a line down and curve it inwards. Let's draw the shape of her face next. From the bottom right of her eye, draw a curve outwards and then back in. Stop here about halfway between her eyes. Her hands come up and block the bottom of her face, so let's add that in with a curved line across here. Now follow the same face shape and draw the rest of her face on the left here. Let's draw her mouth next. Draw a slight W-like curve across the center here. And then two lines under for her mouth. Next, draw three diagonal lines on each cheek to show she's blushing. I'm going to color these lines in red later, so you can choose to do that now or keep them black. Let's draw the top section of her hair now. Starting above the outer left eye, draw a curve down and flick it out at the end. Then a curve in at the bottom. Now draw the top of her hair out to the right and then curve it down in the same way as the left side. Let's draw her body first before finishing off the hair. From the line we drew earlier for her hands, on the left draw a line down. And then a small curve at the bottom. On the right, draw a rounded curve like this for the microphone. Now a bent line to the left for her hand. Next, draw an S-curve down here. Let's draw the shape of her arm now. From the top here, draw a pointed curve down and back up and into the microphone. Now add a curve across here for the sleeve of her shirt. Next on the left, draw a square shape for the end of the microphone. And then draw a similar curve down for her other arm. And a curve here for her other sleeve. Let's finish off her hair on both sides like this now. Now let's finish drawing the rest of her body. On the left, draw a curved line down. And then draw the right side down like this. Next, draw a curve across under her arms for the bottom of her shirt. And then a line across here for the bottom of the skirt. Next, draw some fabric fold lines on the skirt like this. Let's draw her legs now. Continue the line down on the right, angling it outwards. Draw the inside of the right leg in the same way like this. And then a curve at the bottom to close off the foot. Draw the left leg now, but have it bend to the left. Now draw angled lines down to the right on the bottom of both lines. And then close off the bottom of the foot. Now lastly, draw lines across each leg for the top of her boots. And that's it for Sky. Let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.